is the markup design. This is the hero section, and this is the CTA button. Now when you go to the About Us button, supporting content, your services, and if you want, we can add dedicated pages in all service pages. Now the video section which you want, we can place the videos here for you. Here the case study, testimonials, price plan, and contact form, and the footer. We can customize it for you as well regarding content and images, and if you want to change anything, remove anything, we can do that. Just check the layout and provide feedback, and we will discuss about development.